Today I'd like to talk to you about making a dual battery setup for your Kmart quadcopter. This is the Quad4A version, and if you've been watching the previous videos in the series you would have seen the batteries that I've purchased, the replacement batteries, and now I've made up a connector, an adapter to run the dual batteries at once. This gives you extra flight time, but also seems to give the motors extra power, so it seems to climb quicker and move quicker. So it's quite simple to make. These are the simple components required. You buy yourself a set of crimping JST RCY connectors and pull apart an old PC and you get the header pins out, and that's a 2x2, so you have 4 pins on that one. You pull 2 of the pins out, they then slip inside the crimp pin, and you just squeeze the tabs over a pair of pliers and then you can solder them in position if you like. Then you solder the part that's sticking out across 2 parallel pins on the 4-pin header setup, so as the positives will be in 2 pins and the negatives will be on the other 2 pins. When you solder them in position on the 4-pin setup, make sure you have the pins one on the outside and one on the inside of the other 2 pins, so as they keep their centre distance of 1/100th, 0.1 of an inch or 2.54 millimetre. That will then enable it to line up with the matching plug. This is what the dual battery adapter will look like when it's plugged in and soldered together. I've added araldite to the joints so as to make them waterproof, but as you can see it fits in quite well, doesn't take up much space, and allows you to have a dual battery setup. That gives you longer flight times, but also seems to give the motors a bit more power so they can draw a bit more current. So I hope that gives you some extra flight times, some ideas on how to get more from your quadcopter, and thanks for watching.